a mistake. I know it's wrong, but I still did it. Then I repented, but I still went into doing the same sin and repeat the process. Will I be forgiven every time I ask for forgiveness? If your forgiveness is sincere, Allah will forgive you. Full stop. Like, it could be the millionth time, it could be the billionth time, it could be the first time. But what I would say is, don't get into that mentality where you're like, oh yeah, let me do this sin because you know what? Afterwards, I will ask forgiveness. Okay, this is another trick of shaitan. He's like, look, don't worry, Allah's most merciful. Go, Bismillah, go do the sin. It's all right. Allah's gonna forgive you. No, don't think like that. Okay, use this. Think of Allah as very, very severe in punishment, and think of Allah as the one that you're sinning against, right? But know that He will forgive you. This is a guarantee from Allah. Like, if it was down to human beings, they'd be like, no, I'm not forgiving you. You did this 50 times. Why on earth would I forgive you? Right? But Allah is the most merciful, and Allah is more merciful than mothers. You know, there's mothers, if you did 50 times, you did something wrong to them, they'd be like, no, that's it, finished, type of thing. Yeah, even though they're mothers. But with Allah, it's like, even if you did it, you know, Allah will forgive you. So as long as your repentance is sincere, and part of the sincere repentance is feeling bad that you did it, ensuring that you don't do it again. And obviously there's people involved, there's lots of other conditions of repentance you need to kind of look into. So yeah, that's what I would say about that.